Okay, I'm going to talk to you about how to find your own star in the night sky. The first step is to go to the list of brightest naked eye stars. This can be found Wikipedia or in a very good book called The Invisible Universe. Once you find that list, write down the first 28 stars in order. It will usually start with Sirius as the brightest, and most lists have Maya Placidus as the 28th. Once you write down all of those stars' names, 1 through 28, I want you to then write the letter of the alphabet next to each one of the stars, beginning with Sirius as A, B, C, D, E, all the way through to the 26th brightest, which is the Z position, we call it. And then you take those last two stars, and you assign the letter Z plus to the 27th and Z plus plus to the 28th. Now that you have that list and the stars and the alphabetical position, we call it, then I want you to then go to the year 1989 and list all of the years from 1989 through 2017. After you do that, you'll have a list of 28 years in order, and next to each year, beginning with 1989, you're going to put in a letter of the alphabet again, starting with 1989 as A and going through to 2017, which is your Z plus plus year. Now that you have these two lists, you can then combine the list of stars with the list of years. And once you do that, you'll be able to find your star based on the year of your birth. Now, if your birth year isn't on that list of years, just add or subtract 28 to your birth year, and you'll find the year that's listed, that you already wrote down the letters of the alphabet, plus those two extra positions. Then what you do is you take your birth year, whatever letter that's next to it, and you find the corresponding letter on the star list, and you have your star in the heavens. Now, when you make that list of stars, don't forget to write down the constellation next to each star name. And that'll be listed when you find your star name. They'll usually have the name of the constellation. Once you have the constellation name, then you can go and find it in the night sky. But it'll be very helpful for you to know the chart name. And you can find the chart number for each constellation by going to, I use this book called The Stars, the Definitive Visual Guide to the Cosmos. And I can show you that one right here. It's over here somewhere. So if you use that book, it'll show you where your constellation is in the night sky. Now remember, these constellations, some of the constellations in our list, have multiple stars from our list, but that's okay. All you have to concern with is the one that corresponds to your birth year, and then you'll be able to find it when you look up in the night sky. You'll find your constellation. You'll know the chart number, which will help you find it in the sky, and you'll be able to find your own star.